apartment. John and Emily are a young couple. They live in a small apartment in the city. It is nice, but it is too small for them. Next weekend, they will be moving to a new apartment. The new apartment is bigger. It has 3 rooms, a balcony, and a nice kitchen. John and Emily are very excited. They are planning everything. They know it will be a busy weekend. On Saturday morning, they will be packing their things. John will be putting books and clothes into boxes. Emily will be wrapping plates and glasses. The movers will be arriving at 10 o'clock. They will be helping with the big furniture. By noon, they will be loading the truck. John will be carrying chairs and tables. Emily will be checking the boxes. They will be working together all day. At the new apartment, the movers will be unloading the truck. John and Emily will be cleaning the rooms. They will be opening windows and dusting the shelves. It will take some time, but they will be happy. In the evening, they will be arranging the furniture. John will be setting up the bed in the bedroom. Emily will be putting dishes in the kitchen. They will be making the new place feel like home. On Sunday, they will be decorating. They will be hanging pictures on the walls. They will also be buying flowers and some new curtains. Emily will be cooking their first meal in the new kitchen. John will be setting the table. In the afternoon, their friends will be coming to visit. They will be bringing snacks and drinks. Everyone will be talking, laughing, and enjoying the new space. By the end of the weekend, John and Emily will be tired, but they will be happy. They will be starting a new life in their new apartment. Grammar explanation. The future continuous tense describes actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Structure. Subject plus will be plus verb, ing. Examples from the story. They will be packing their things. John will be putting books into boxes. Movers will be arriving at 10 o'clock. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with future continuous. Answers. Exercise 2. Choose the correct sentence. Answers. Exercise 3. Answer the questions. Answers. In this lesson, we learned how to use the future continuous tense to describe future actions in progress. We followed John and Emily as they moved to a new apartment and prepared for their new life. Now, you can use this tense to talk about your future plans. See you in the next lesson.